Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Playtime Boost for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application. And of course your speaker should be connected with the app. Then it will open for you speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and right here we have Playtime Boost. So what this mod do? When you enable it, you will have louder sound, longer battery life, but it will reduce bass and details. And to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider, if the slider have empty background. Now, as you can see, we cannot use equalizer. So, to disable Playtime, if you disable, you will have better sound quality than with this mod. Also, deepest bass, and the minus that you will have shortest battery life. And to enable it, just tap again if the slider have colorful background. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.